She's feeding. Her little lammy's feeding. What about this one? You got some straw? Look, little Jen, look. Look.
This one?
Yeah, this one, that's it. Yeah, look, would you like this? Just want to lick my fingers. You do it. You go through here, look. Go through this bit, then you can reach it better. She said I can eat my own food. I can eat my own food. It's all over the floor. Pee all over it. Eat it, yeah, eat it. Oh, there you go.
Oh look, that little one's giving its mum a massage.
Mummy,
Good afternoon, everybody. I'd like to welcome you all here to Church Farm here at Coombs. To give you some idea, the whole farm is just under 1,000 acres, at the same size as 500 full-size football pitches. Now, I'm going to take up onto the South Downs. Very thin soil, very hard, dry land, pretty decent at growing grass, so that's why we have sheep and cows on the farm.
Mummy sheep.
Right, by the time we finish lambing, we expect to have over 1,200 lambs on the farm. So we do like to keep busy this time of year. They're born in the big pens you see around you. As long as they're good and healthy, we then put them into what's called a single pen, where they stay together as a family for 2 to 3 days to get to know each other. As long as they're drinking lots of mother's milk and they're nice and bouncy and are healthy, we then mark them and take them out on the downs. We mark them quite simply. A single has a dot in the middle of its back. Very rare for them to get separated. But twins, if you can imagine you've got 2 lambs, one goes one way, one goes the other, or you don't know what to do next. So what we do is we paint a number on them, the same number on all 3. So if you find lamb 47 that's fallen down a category, it's got the wrong side of a fence, you pick it up, you look at the number, you drive around the field, when you find the ewe, the mother with the same number, you put the family back together again. It really is that simple. Now the cows we have here are the red pedigree Sussex. We have Sussex cows and Sussex cows. Now, there's an old farming expression that a Sussex will fatten on fresh air. What that means is at the height of summer and in the autumn when there's virtually no grass on the downs, the Sussex cow will still be fat, round and healthy, and more importantly, it will still produce decent milk for the sheep. They suit our system here very well because they are good mothers and they are easy cows to have, like quite calming. Right, are we ready? Let's go.
It's smile. It's posing. It's posing. Look, can I see this one, Luigi? Slowly, slowly, slowly. Go slowly, pop it, because they're scared. Twinkle, twinkle.